1st of November and it's a beautiful autumnal morning on the lovely Isle of Wight. And we got up, I don't know how we got up, starving, but we got up.
I got up.
What?
You got me up with a pinch and a punch.
Oh yeah, I pinched and punched him because it's the first of the month thing, isn't it? Yes, that's what I did. You're welcome. So, what was I saying? Yeah, I don't know how we're starving because last night we went to Lakeside and we went to like this Halloween dinner thing and had a 3-course meal, and now we're starving. So we're going to go to the garlic farm and we're going to take you with us and we're going to have some breakfast. Last night we went to Lakeside, like we said, and how much did it cost us? Because we booked it through White Fibre, didn't
We got it on the Price is White, and then we got a White Fibre VIP deal, and it cost us £20, £21.
Yeah, so it's like £21, and it was a fancy dress Halloween party. And when we got there, I thought, oh my god, this is my worst nightmare. Because we were just put on a table with a load of people that we didn't know. There's like a wedding, and I was thinking, oh my god, I'm gonna hate this. But actually, the people we were sat on the table with were really, really nice, and it was just really fun. So everybody got dressed up, and there's like a disco afterwards. We didn't stay very late, but we had a 3-course meal, and I had butternut squash soup and chicken with a lovely creamy sauce and creme brulee, which is like my favourite. And yeah, we really, really enjoyed it. So I'll pop some pictures on here so you can see what it was like. Oh, and we dressed up. Brian was Phantom of the Opera and spent an hour before we went out playing Phantom of the Opera, which did my head in. And then I was his
Christine.
like bird.
Christine.
I was Christine in my dress soft vintage. So yeah, I'll pop some pictures in, you can have a look. We're nearly at the garlic farm now, and this is all the autumnal trees that go over the road, which makes me very happy. I did come here the other day with Chloe and we did the Halloween trail, which was really cute, so I'll pop some pictures of that in as well. Let's go for breakfast now. The garlic farm is on Mersey Lane in the village of Newchurch, and it's a unique working farm and a visitor destination dedicated to everything garlic, which is pretty amazing. It's great for kiddies, and they can walk around all of the fields and the woodlands and meet all the different animals like cattle, goats, chickens. So come and join us for breakfast. We're going to the garlic. What are you having? I didn't film the last one.
full breakfast, garlicky breakfast.
How much was it?
$14.95 again.
Ooh. I just got flat white. And he's on his phone booking golf. I'm having a small breakfast. As always, our food was delicious. Highly recommended. We will be back. It's a lovely breakfast. Did you enjoy that?
I did very much.
We're going to go and have a little nose in the shop. Right, let's take you around this amazing shop. Honestly, you've never seen so much garlic in your life. They've got smoked garlic, black garlic, they've got mustards, chutneys, ketchups, dressings, sauces. And Brian really likes this, so this is an easy present for buying him for Christmas and birthdays. They've also got like loads and loads of Isle of Wight stuff, like cheeses, milks, honey, gin. It's really good. You need to go and have a mooch around.
It's really nice. Honestly,
You try it.
I've tried it already. That piece there was mine.
What, you ate it and then put it back?
No, but the piece that's missing there is mine.
I don't want to eat raw garlic without
Try
anything.
it, it's really nice. Honestly. Would I lie to you?
Yes. What are you eating now?
Seriously hot? Oh my god. That's proper hot.
I picked up a couple of bits in the shop, so I got some Isle of Wight postcards which were quite big, and I'm going to put them in frames when I get home. Thank you for watching. It's been a while, but we're glad to be back. And Brian can't speak now because he just ate this really, what was the sauce called?
I can't remember. Vampires.
Some vampire sauce in the garlic
spoke.
farm shop. What?
I just spoke.
What? What's that noise?
Shooting?
Oh. Anyway, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If there's anywhere you want us to go on the little Isle of Wight, leave it in the comments below. Have an amazing week. Bye bye.